The best hi-fi gear isn't always what the reviewers obsess over. It's what audiophiles actually buy when they're spending their own money. Everyone's chasing the next hyped release or that flavor of the month recommendation, but the products that consistently fly off our shelves tell a completely different story about what actually works in home audio systems. We're counting down the 5 best-selling desktop home DACs, amps, and streamers of the year. This is the gear that audiophiles are absolutely loving and what we're recommending you check out in 2026. Perfect unit for the novice, music enthusiast, and audiophile, the Bluesound Node Icon music streamer brings high-res music streaming to any home audio setup. At $11.99, the Node Icon is a high-res streaming powerhouse that supports PCM files up to 24-bit 192 kHz, DSD 256 playback, and Dolby Digital multi-channel audio formats. It offers full multi-room capability through the dedicated BlueOS controller app, making it the perfect unit for whole home audio integration. Add the range of connectivity options including HDMI eARC, balanced XLR outputs, analog RCA, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, and you've got a highly flexible music streamer. The Node Icon is ideal for streaming first audiophiles who want that maximum flexibility with their music sources. 2 1/4-inch headphone jacks on each side of the unit, compatibility with Direct Live technology, and 2 ESS Sabre DAC chips make the Node Icon worthy of its flagship status. Whether you're new to music streaming or you're just looking to add another streamer to your collection, the Bluesound Node Icon offers tremendous value, and its easy-to-navigate user interface makes setting the unit up and enjoying your favorite tunes a walk in the park. The Chord Electronics Qutest delivers pure digital to analog conversion using the same proprietary FPGA technology developed for the Hugo 2. Like most Chord DACs, the Qutest leans to the analytical side of the spectrum with incredible detail retrieval and resolution. Despite its compact design, the Qutest doesn't compromise on performance, and it improves on its predecessor, the 2Qt, in every possible way. It features RCA analog outputs for connections to amps, preamps, really whatever you want, and high-resolution dual data inputs for connection to other Chord products. One of my personal favorite features is the user-selectable output voltage at 1 volt, 2 volts, or 3 volts RMS, giving you that flexible connectivity with all of your hi-fi gear. The Qutest is perfect for detail-oriented listeners who prioritize accuracy and resolution above all else. Classical, jazz, and acoustic fans will especially appreciate the detailed reproduction that brings out the nuances in any of these genres. Pair it with the Chord Annie amplifier or the Chord Huey Phono stage for turntable integration, and you have a full-fledged hi-fi system with ultimate synergy. Anyone working with limited desktop or shelf space will love that this DAC amp delivers world-class sound without taking up much real estate. Another top seller from Chord Electronics at $67.95 is the Hugo TT2 DAC amplifier. The Hugo TT2 delivers 5 times the processing power of the original Hugo TT and twice that of the award-winning Hugo 2. As expected, it delivers radically improved technical specifications and measurements all the way across the board. This powerhouse DAC amp combo supports most headphones, including harder-to-drive ones like the Sennheiser HD 800S and most planar magnetic headphones, such as the Odyssey LCD series. Like other Chord products, the TT2 is a detail freak, making it a great choice to add into the signal chain of just about any hi-fi system, no matter what the sound signature is. The Hugo TT2 also upgrades from a 4-element design to a 10-element design, which works in harmony with the radically upgraded FPGA and code to deliver unrivaled audio quality. We also love pairing this DAC with the popular Chord Hugo M Scaler. This is Chord's upsampler that, when paired with the Hugo TT2, gives even the Chord Dave DAC a run for its money. Bluetooth, digital filters, crossfeed, and a great selection of inputs and outputs, the TT2 is an incredibly versatile DAC. Great for every genre of music across the board, this is what the cutting edge of DAC technology sounds like. Coming in at number 2, we have the iFi Audio Valkyrie high-res portable DAC amplifier. And don't let the word portable fool you. At $16.99, this beast delivers audiophile-grade performance that rivals dedicated desktop setups, all while maintaining the flexibility that you need to take your listening experience anywhere you want. The Valkyrie features iFi's renowned X-Space technology for enhanced soundstage depth, along with their X-Bass 2 tech that restores low-end presence for open-back headphones. With support for PCM 768 kHz and DSD 512, plus balance output options, this DAC amp handles whatever you throw at it with effortless clarity and power. Whether you're driving sensitive IEMs or power-hungry planar magnetic headphones, the Valkyrie has the grunt to make them sing. The premium metal chassis not only looks stunning on your desk, but it also provides excellent shielding from interference. It's proof that you don't need a massive desktop stack to achieve reference quality sound. Sometimes the best things really do come in small packages. Before we reveal our #1 seller, we want to shout out our Top Dragon audio cables that pair with each device in this list. Our Silver Dragon USB cable will deliver seamless digital transmission between your gear, while our Silver Dragon Premium Interconnect cables serve as the perfect link in your home audio desktop setup. From the detail and resolution of our Silver Dragon line to the musicality and body of our Bronze Dragon line, or the neutrality of the Blue Dragon sound signature, you can't go wrong with a single Dragon audio cable. Find your perfect match and explore our entire collection at moon-audio.com. Now for our #1 bestseller, the Astell and Kern Acro CA1000T, where luxury meets pure sonic indulgence. This isn't just a DAC amplifier. It's a statement piece that brings Astell and Kern's legendary portable audio expertise to your desktop in spectacular fashion. It's a DAP, a DAC, an amplifier, and a streamer all wrapped up into one package. At the heart of the Acro CA1000T are genuine Chord new tube vacuum tubes that give you that coveted tube sound with modern reliability. The ES9039 M Pro Dual DAC delivers exceptional detail retrieval and a silky smooth presentation, while the hybrid tube solid-state amplification offers you the best of both worlds. With both balanced and unbalanced outputs, plus Bluetooth 5.0 with LDAC support, the CA1000T is an incredibly versatile hi-fi device. The build quality is absolutely exquisite, with premium materials and that signature Astell and Kern attention to detail throughout. The volume knob alone feels like it costs more than some entire budget setups. So if you're looking for a centerpiece DAC amplifier that sounds as extraordinary as it looks, and you're willing to invest in truly premium audio, the Astell and Kern Acro CA1000T delivers an experience that's hard to match. These aren't just products flying off the shelves. They're the DACs, amplifiers, and streamers that audiophiles are actually investing in, and they're recommending to everyone they know because they deliver real noticeable improvements to their listening experience. If you're building or upgrading your hi-fi system, make sure to check out our complete list of the top home audio DACs, amps, and streamers of the year, which will be linked in the description below. Now, if you're looking at these products and wondering, wait, what exactly is the difference between a DAC and an amp, and do I really need both? We've got you covered. Check out our video breaking down DACs versus amps and why having both is the foundation of any great audio system. That's up next, and it'll answer all of those questions.